Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of handcrafted wood furniture projects ideas for small living spaces styling and selling. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Handcrafted wood furniture offers a unique opportunity to enhance small home decor with both style and functionality, allowing artisans to create pieces that maximize space while adding warmth and character to any environment. One compelling idea is to design a multifunctional coffee table that serves as both a central gathering place and additional storage. By incorporating hidden compartments or shelves, a well-crafted coffee table can house magazines, remote controls, and other living room essentials, reducing clutter and maintaining a tidy appearance. The use of durable hardwoods like maple or walnut not only ensures longevity, but also provides a beautiful surface that can be finished in various ways to match the home's aesthetic. Artisans can experiment with different shapes, such as round or rectangular designs, to cater to various space constraints, ensuring that each piece fits seamlessly into its surroundings while serving a practical purpose. Another valuable piece of furniture for small spaces is a compact dining table that can accommodate different needs. A handcrafted drop-leaf table, for instance, can be expanded to host family dinners or folded down to save space when not in use. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for small apartments or homes where maximizing square footage is essential. Artisans can use reclaimed wood or sustainable materials to create a rustic charm that appeals to environmentally conscious consumers, while also adding a unique character that mass-produced furniture often lacks. The option to customize the table with personalized engravings or unique finishes can further enhance its appeal, making it a cherished item that reflects the homeowner's style. In addition to dining and coffee tables, creating handcrafted shelving units can significantly elevate small home decor. Floating shelves, for example, can be designed to display books, plants, or decorative items, drawing the eye upward and creating the illusion of a larger space. By using light-colored woods or incorporating unique designs, artisans can ensure that these shelves not only serve a functional purpose, but also act as decorative elements in the room. Custom sizing allows these shelves to fit snugly into any corner or wall space, making them an ideal solution for maximizing storage without sacrificing style. Moreover, the ability to personalize these shelves with different finishes or shapes enables homeowners to express their individuality while maintaining a cohesive decor theme. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Crafting a stylish entryway bench can also enhance small home decor by providing a functional space for storage and seating. A handcrafted bench with built-in shoe storage or cubbies can help keep entryways organized and clutter-free, making it easier for residents to grab their essentials as they head out the door. By choosing durable materials and finishes that withstand daily wear and tear, artisans can create a piece that not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds a touch of elegance to the entryway. Including hooks or a small shelf above the bench can further enhance its functionality, allowing for additional storage of bags, hats, and keys, which is especially beneficial in smaller living spaces where every square foot counts. Another innovative idea for small home decor is the creation of a foldable desk or workspace. As remote work becomes increasingly common, the demand for functional yet stylish workspaces has grown. A handcrafted folding desk can provide a dedicated area for work or study, which can be easily tucked away when not in use, making it perfect for small apartments or homes. Artisans can design desks with built-in storage for office supplies or incorporate hidden compartments to keep the workspace tidy. The ability to customize the size and finish allows artisans to cater to various preferences and home styles, creating a piece that seamlessly blends into its environment while meeting the practical needs of its users. Creating handcrafted nightstands that offer both style and storage can also significantly enhance small home decor. A compact nightstand with drawers or shelves can provide essential storage for books, a lamp, or personal items, all while occupying minimal floor space. Artisans can design these nightstands with unique details, such as carved accents or distinctive hardware, to elevate their visual appeal. Additionally, incorporating charging stations or built-in lighting can make these nightstands even more functional, catering to the modern needs of homeowners who value convenience. By using high-quality materials and finishes, artisans can ensure that these pieces not only serve a practical purpose, but also add a touch of elegance to the bedroom. Handcrafted benches for narrow hallways or corridors present another excellent opportunity to create functional decor in small spaces. These benches can provide seating and storage, making them ideal for putting on shoes or setting down bags. By designing them with a slim profile, artisans can ensure that they fit comfortably into tight spaces without overwhelming the area. Adding a touch of creativity, such as painted designs or mixed materials, can make these benches stand out, transforming a simple piece into a focal point that enhances the overall decor of the home. This approach not only maximizes utility, but also showcases the artisan's craftsmanship and attention to detail. In the realm of small home decor, creating handcrafted wall-mounted desks can also be a game-changer. These desks can be folded up when not in use, providing a stylish workspace that doesn't take up valuable floor space. By incorporating shelves or compartments for storage, artisans can design a functional piece that caters to the needs of remote workers or students. The ability to personalize these desks with various finishes or designs allows homeowners to create a workspace that reflects their style while enhancing the overall aesthetic of the room. This combination of practicality and charm makes wall-mounted desks a desirable option for those living in smaller spaces. Crafting unique accent tables can also provide significant value in small home decor. These tables can serve various purposes, such as side tables, plant stands, or even as occasional dining surfaces. By designing them in various heights and styles, artisans can create versatile pieces that suit different needs and spaces. Utilizing lightweight materials allows for easy movement, enabling homeowners to rearrange their living areas as needed. The charm of these accent tables lies in their ability to add character to a room while providing functional surfaces without overwhelming the space. Finally, creating handmade wooden trays can offer both utility and aesthetic appeal in small home decor. These trays can serve as catch-alls for keys, mail, or other small items, helping to keep surfaces organized and clutter-free. Artisans can design trays in various shapes and sizes, allowing for versatility in their use. By incorporating unique finishes or personalized engravings, these trays can be marketed as thoughtful gifts or decorative accents that enhance the overall decor. The beauty of handcrafted wooden trays lies in their ability to merge function with style, making them a valuable addition to any small living space. Handcrafted wood furniture ideas for small home decor provide a wealth of opportunities for artisans to create functional and stylish pieces that enhance the living experience. From multifunctional coffee tables and compact dining options to versatile shelving and unique accent tables, each piece can be tailored to meet the specific needs of homeowners while adding a touch of charm and warmth to their environments. By emphasizing craftsmanship, sustainability, and personalization, artisans can create products that resonate with consumers looking for quality and individuality in their home decor. This approach not only fosters creativity and satisfaction for the artisan, but also creates a successful business model rooted in quality and practicality, ensuring that each piece crafted is both useful and beautiful. Ultimately, these handcrafted wood furniture ideas can transform small spaces into inviting homes that reflect the unique styles and personalities of their occupants. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for handcrafted wood furniture projects for small living spaces styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.